coming. All right, now have a problem. Just tell her if you go and go link with Alex and so and yeah, kiss him now come till Saturday. May I come down, man? May I come down?
You go make Alex alone see down there.
Alex, na big old boy penny. Alex, how much?
Oh God, poor Alex. Poor.
Are you come up here, sir? Come make it look away. You know, you're gonna make people turn for me. Aratiado. You know, say you think you're not have sense. You know exactly what you do.
Mommy, me as a brother, sorry for you. Come on, I'm alone down there, you know.
Just send for your brother. Send for your brother.
Remember say, oh, it's not no one.
Dirty drunker. Dirty drunker, long face, thinking jagger. Come on for me foot. Hey, man, in this coming on, I make hard people. I just say people go run me out of the yard, you know. Because this dirty, hey, come on for my phone. I don't know my birthday fine, you know.
No, I'm not ready yet. I'm not ready yet.
You may call the neighbors, them hear me cursing. Hey, boy. What you mean? Say me not have, look here. So are you come coming on the door?
I mean, you say it or you say it?
So what?
So you're not on the door.
I mean, if you say it, you not no right to tell me say me not on the door.
Oh, so me enough to say it?
No.
But for a big man level still, mommy. Me I worry about him. Then I'm better sleep and I worry about Alex.
Okay. So meaning, hey, thank you guys. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the art. So,
Alex.
What you want him come up? You want him come up at you? Or why you want me come down?
So Alex,
guys, catch his speed. Thank you, baby. What you want me to do? Listen to me now. What you want me to do? Where you want me to come down or you messing him up at you?
Yeah, send him up, but you don't know if you want. You know, Alex.
Guys, catch his speed. Catch his speed, Chad. Alex do not like company. Alex don't like their own people. Alex like for their name host. That's Alex. Guys, thank you. Guys, catch his speed. Catch his speed, Chad. You know, tell me if you got me yard.
Guys, help me win that one, you know.
No, Chad, to me, Jagga tell me if you got me yard and the style and him do it straight out to and there's something there. Oh, thank you for the money gun queen.
Mommy, come
guys,
here.
Oh, we can't get his speed.
No, yes, here by police TV, too.
Like, we can't catch his speed. What for you span this? I don't know cologne.
Why you go on my question then?
I go on my question, I try catch his speed right here, so next me I come towards the type. I did decide here right now, I ring off on your ears, I swear to God, you need not get way. You never no, I decided to tell you, I buck while your ears all.
You know that's why I before you come down.
So about TV, or me buy TikTok police TV, that's your status? You know me as a person that buy my TV?
I don't know, I say me ear. So explain to the audience and the people say you didn't do it.
No, I did not buy my TV. Him by himself in TV. Right? Him do him thing. Dirty boy got work. You see your fucking face?
People in the comment section.
You need to go buy Chanel a clue. Yeah. Buy Chanel a clue. So when time you cheat, she can always know. Yeah. That you need to go do.
I'm not cheating.
Which party you loyal?
All of me.
Or probably for me screaming.
Guys, help me win the match now. Come on.
Don't help him win the match. I say, I'm sorry too, woman, them should have catch you and grab you and just stretch you. A girl, them should have beat you senseless.
Oh, that's
Chanel on the left and TT on the right. They should have strip you down a road and tear off your clothes and beat you like your mother. Yeah. Say something to me now.
Guys,
say something now.
Be on focus. Guys, let's win it.
No, you want focus.
My money go.
No, you want focus. Guys, thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Alexa 17.
For the rose.
What I mean by don't say that? Me say the two women them should have hold him only thing you know for getting a cut. And the woman did try to take him and stretch him. Yeah, one woman pan the right and one pan the left. What two of them hold him hand and the next one they hold him foot and just stretch him in a middle road. And that they should have done. Guys, don't make it Jesus. Don't make that with me.
Mommy, that struggle still, you know, cause none of them, you know, want to cook for me, you know.
None of woman they don't want to cook for you?
No, none of them, me no want to cook for me, cause me no want any pies.
Guys, thank you so much. Big up to all of my gifters, them guys. Everybody a double tap, guys. Thank you. So, we are saying, what are they?
That woman we can cook for me, you know, but yesterday them 2 years, me can't make them cook for me. One time.
So, Taje, you and Titi still there?
Mommy, me no know right now. Me no know nothing.
So, what are they? So, you feel like Chanel would tie you? Me know Chanel would tie you. Wrong question that me ask. Me not lie. I feel like Chanel find 100 ways
out. Me no mommy hungry clot. Me I tell you hungry clot. Me then I bed twist up, you know. Me I say, you know that woman I can't cook. Then me just come to my realization and me I say, but if you ever cook, give me good pies with me or in time.
We wish share the same birthday. I lie. Birthday twin, what's up? Nah, lie still Chanel for tie your ass. When I like still, you know, you see you're quiet and you're sneaking, but you're wild. You're a man like this. You're nice. You're quiet. You will listen. You have good reasonability, but it's like as you see a girl out the road and she say, and she look good. You say you stay. You need to behave yourself. You need to behave yourself, guys. 22 rows, chat. 22 rows. You need to behave yourself.
Oh, funny people they watch. Boss, good day. Watch me, boy. Watch this pussy all pan live before I reach out.
Chat 22 rows, chat. So me not hold on there. So me never hear TT say she afraid to come pan live and them something. She get brave now. Guys, 22. Each person, guys, one rose.
I go live. I mean go live yesterday for you. So that's.
Oh. Guys, 22 rose, chat. So she not bad afraid again.
I'm afraid of.
That may say. Guys, each person one rose, chat. Each person one rose. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much.
I know it look like TT now go back and work again.
Oh, so a social media thing now.
Same thing with Chanel too.
Oh, one Gemini, talk truth. Guys, thank you. We have oh God, no sir. Or if I'm going to touch over 3,000 people there, son, and 22 rows. 22 rows and it hardly can catch. God no, 22 rows and it hardly can catch. Like literally. Chanel lose, they walk. Look at not talk so. You ever see Chanel fly?
Chanel fly up here, you know. Don't say them something there.
Chanel is the only woman missing with superpower in Jamaica.
Chanel is my wife.
Alright, when you hear good, make sure we will make it clear pan the media, you know, say Chanel and wife, because we don't want Chanel fly. Chanel is the only woman in Jamaica have superpower. Chanel is the only woman me say fly. Got one next community and she no bother walk when they come on to her man.
Right now, me I tell you, say one of them hypocrite people here share the life to Chanel. Me not ask, me I tell you.
Oh, alright now Chanel I watch you all away. Me I tell you the truth. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for the rose. Right now, Chanel I watch her right now. So if Tajay just buck into and say, you don't go see her in the here. Never fear. Chanel is here. And she just touch down right there and spot right there. So me not understand, you know. One Chanel, never two. Me not lie, me not ramp with Chanel again. I know me know myself. Chanel reach up her yard yesterday, quick.
Hey man, so look.
Tagwan can love Chanel. You love your woman.
Who tell us I love Chanel?
Yeah. So like when you love Chanel, where you do TT? You like TT?
If we not bring up Chanel, now if we bring up TT.
Because oh. Alright.
Right, when you realize that I win the match while ago, you know. Two now mix me up. No two mix up, man.
Yeah, continue stay mix up. Just don't focus.
Focus on me. Bad shooter when him Terisha, Chanel, all of them. Please give them a follow now. Blessed child. Big up
You know,
all
so
of
no keep on and say mad me, mad me, mad me. After me go mad when I see him person down there. God, listen to me. Guys, if you not support me now. When I say mad me, not even tap on not tap on the screen. When I say mad me, mad me, mad me, and nobody not tap on the screen, nobody not support me, nobody not nothing at all. Murder, make me stay and people cuss me
So,
and them.
mommy, a new page job.
Who me?
Mm.
Thank you, baby. I see one of my moderator here. Queen, thank you for the rose. See one of my moderator, this give me one puppy. Guys, this is my moderator right here, so maybe too much people in our chat. See, there, of course, she have her mad.
A new page this.
Big up to my VP. Lady, thank you so much for the donut. Queen, thank you so much for the rose. You, go on and work, Jagga, leave me alone. Yeah, Jagga, go on.
So where this page come from?
No, my page, this, our new logo of this right now, a Team Blue.
Jay bata about fi adim. How when we fi adim inga?
Who that, Jaden?
No, Jay. Little Jay.
Oh, look at Jay. Queen, thank you for the heart, baby.
Jay, we not see you.
Ooh, thank you for the money gun. Mr. Sorry, me never get that when I just beat me up. I should have had that money gun. Thank you, baby. Thank you so much for the money gun. Well, look at Jay.
Go forward.
Later.
Later, mix up.
Later, my son, I love you. I see now, it kind of make me feel bad, like me feel good. You hear me say about Alex? And Alex alright, you know, because Chanel gone up there. But Alex is 17-year-old, guys, right? You don't know all of my kids, them, right? Alex is back home. Where Alex? Him back home. Him is 17. And him good. Him sister, them a come down, but I think on Saturday. What go on? All of my business dep online. Mercy, Alex at 16. Alex at 16. You the birth me pitney, you idiot. Because like you're mad man. Come on for me, I block you now. I'm not gonna block you for that first comment. Then I'm gonna make you run. Because I know say you come over me yard. I know you come over me yard, you know, and I fast. You come like them girls who come at people yard and you don't drink no tea. Right? You have gas. So burp off the gas off of your stomach and think before you talk. Alright? Yeah, honey, yours. Oh my God, thank you. We love you. Love you too, baby. Alex. Guys, it takes them to go fast. Alright, so guys, here we're supposed to be at Kingston today. We have something we're dropping at Kingston, so Annie, love you. Love you too. Love you. We love you. Guys, and I give me a whole heap of love, you know. Alex cute, you know. Oh, Jesus. Alex, hide from the whole of you. Right now, the girl will go find Alex. She have to go good. She have to go in her house and creep Alex from out of the corner. Alex shy. Him nice looking. Everything thick. Nice boy, me I tell you about. But him not give time or day. Me don't know which girl go find him. I not talk about that. Me go buy him one phone. Me buy him one phone. Me need to buy him one phone. Me buy him one phone. Me need to surprise him with one phone. No man, me need the girls them for started to talk to Alex. Alex too shy. I gotta get Alex a phone. That is the thing. I be a game, him a play and them something they be a game in a game world. So me need to bop him out of the game world and get him in the human world. Hey Anna, what You alright, my baby? Good morning, Queen. Good morning. Guys, my other moderator here is Anna. Guys, wanna bless up Anna. Hi, my baby. How is your morning? What Okay, you keep on say Annie. Him are how much? Alex is 17 years old. Please check your inbox. I'm afraid if you check my inbox. The last time I check it, I nearly dropped down. Alright, me I go check it. No, last time I check it, I nearly dropped down. Oh, TTB. You know, see, I need go over TT live and ask her how old she be. I don't have so much information. I don't have so much information. I can talk about my kids. You eat? Yes, baby, me eat. You know, talk about that, me go eat now. Come, I don't know if your Wi-Fi I go pick up. Me go eat the food. Before they me carrying some food, me go eat it. 22. Look here, my little son is 17-year-old. I joke me me just want him to have some friends. I see he's 17 years old. I just want him to have friends. Who the hell how should moderator them I do that? Me need somebody me need to click some people off our system. Somebody I do some shady thing. Me serious, you know, somebody I do some shady thing for my moderator. I know Kevin are there, sir. Oh guys, me go for moderator. Hold on there. He say, hold on there. Him teach me one something. He say, I ain't going again. Settings. Hold on there. Settings. I'm gonna try setting. No. He show me if you go up under something, you know. I say mute, comment, black, no, I know this. Hold on there. Guys, me have go run a moderator. Me take off now for the moderator system. Anna, I want to unblock everybody. Me take off the people them because if somebody I do some stupidness, them crazy. Me know it's alright. All of it are gonna be over soon. What Jabas? What Jabas? Jabas, yes, who's the Jabas? Guys, do you know who's the Jabas come online? And somebody I do it. It better